Hi, I'm Tony, your Poppopsworkshop Workshop. Today we're going to make the workshop a little bit brighter. And since I just have the one eye, lighting is very important to me. So it's a lovely size for the workshop, but I need more lights. So we put in 4 extra lights over there to complement the 2 large fixtures here. But today we're going to be working on the dark side of the workshop here. Dark to me anyway. But I started off with just grabbing my Makita to run some Power Pro screws in there. Well, with this Capro little straight line, it's got a nice little level, so I could set a level line on the wall there. And then with the blue tape trick for the back of the power outlet, I was able to locate the screw holes easily without having to measure or do any of that stuff really quick. So we've got a higher outlet in the shop, which is very handy because I can tie in my air filtration fan. And now I have a separate plug for the light fixtures going here. So the first one, we'll plug it in. It'll come out here, go this way with it. That'll make this corner here lit up. Then we'll connect the next one by turning it and going this way down the wall. And eventually we'll get probably 2 or 4 more fixtures to go down that way and then across the back wall. And that will provide me a ring of light around the outside, which should help with the visual light for me in the workshop. It'll make it a little bit easier for me to work no matter what it's doing outside. If it's being all winter in Iowa outside and dark, or if I have to work late on a project, I know I'll have plenty of light in here. So we're going to get started setting the hooks for the light that come with it, and I'll bring you in as I'm up on the little step stool, setting some hooks and hanging some light. All right, so what we're getting done here is this was my starting point of putting this hook in, faced it out, measured 42 inches across because that's the spacing between where the hooks hang. And I got the other one put in. Now I've doubled up the chain they sent because I want these a little higher. And we got the S hook in on the end. You might be able to see it here. Simply comes out and then it hooks right back in like that. Raise them up. And we'll put them right on here. And there we have the first light hung. We're going to plug her in and we'll see if she works. All right, she's up. She's plugged in. Moment of truth. We got a light. All right, so we're going to maybe move it up a little bit. We'll see. It's down, but if I bring it up just a little bit, we'll be able to have a little bit wider light dispersion. But then we're going to get the other one measured out and set up and hung down this way. And from there, we'll have a couple new lights in the shop. So we'll bring you in when we're all done with that. All right, like any shop project now, we're debating, second guessing. This light I probably want to go higher with. I had the luxury of putting hooks in on this framing truss here at 42 inches, which is the length of the light. I don't have that luxury here. These are going to be 48-inch spans. The chains will allow me to stretch out that connection point without any problem, but it is going to bring the light fixture up higher. So this one I may have to raise. Now the big debate is, do I start down here in line with this, or do I come one little bay over a couple feet and go this way? And so, not quite sure yet. You'll know in a second. I'll know as soon as I'm done pondering. All right, so we got that place where we want it. Happy with that, but because it is a longer span, it did bring the light up a little bit. So I'm just gonna adjust the chains here. In fact, I'm gonna go up one more link on each of them. Yeah, so now those are level. I'll do the same on that end. I'll take one of the ties that came with this, kind of dress up that cord there a little bit so it's not hanging down in the way where something might catch it, and try to do something with that hanging there. But otherwise, we got a freshly lit corner. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate when you do. And remember, you can do this.